If you've been an honest bill payer in Delhi, every single Aam Aadmi Party supporter who refused to pay his or her electricity bill, heeding to Arvind Kejriwal's call ahead of Delhi elections, has been given a fabulous sop. They will have to pay only 50% of the electricity bill and no penalty. Is this a reward for defaulters? And honest citizens have in fact been penalized. What do you think? You can call us and tell us what you think at the number on your screen. And that is Arvind Kejriwal and company's latest populist announcement. It provides for 50% cut in electricity bills for those people who back the Aam Aadmi Party's Bijli Andolan. These defaulters who refuse to pay what Arvind Kejriwal called inflated bills in support of his movement have been rewarded by the Delhi Chief Minister. The latest SOP, incidentally, will cost the Delhi government 6 crore rupees. Discoms already claim that they are sitting on losses worth 11,000 crores. Add to that the additional burden of 3,500 to 4,000 crores, and the power companies will be actually footing that entire bill, or people like you and I, taxpayers, will end up footing that bill.
पिछले 2 साल से महंगी बिजली के खिलाफ दिल्ली में बड़ा आंदोलन हुआ था और इसके तहत बिजली सत्याग्रह आंदोलन के दौरान बहुत सारे लोगों ने अपने बिजली के बिल देने बंद किए थे उस आंदोलन में महंगी बिजली का विरोध करते हुए। तो आज दिल्ली सरकार ने तय किया कि अक्टूबर 2012 से अप्रैल 2013 के बीच सत्याग्रह करते हुए जिन लोगों ने अपने बिजली के बिल भरने बंद किए थे सरकार, और उसके बाद दिसंबर तक नहीं भरे थे, ऐसे लोगों को सरकार 50% उनका बिजली का बिल कम किया जाएगा जो एरियर्स हैं, और साथ साथ जो पेनल्टी लगाई गई है उनके ऊपर वो उसकी माफ की जाएगी।
Alright, so if you've been a defaulter, you haven't paid up your electricity bill, even if you weren't an Aam Aadmi Party supporter, well, you've got a fabulous SOP from the government in Delhi. You'll have to pay only 50% of the bill that you ran up in that period, and on top of that, you'll have to pay absolutely no penalty. The Aam Aadmi Party government has announced these SOPs for all the supporters who had backed Arvind Kejriwal's protest against power bills. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal had said that all the bills, the electricity bills in Delhi, are inflated and had told his supporters, don't pay the bills. When we come in power, we'll take care of your problems. And that's exactly what they've done. Headline today's Ankit Tyagi is with us on the phone line. What's the logic exactly? Could you elaborate on the logic? Because how are they going to differentiate between people who are habitual defaulters and those who did it in support of Arvind Kejriwal's campaign, Ankit?
Padmaja, during this campaign last year, between August and December, Arvind Kejriwal had asked people to pay these electricity bills. For that, he has sent some letters. About 6 lakh letters were sent across Delhi. People had committed that, with their meter numbers and their addresses, that they will not be paying the bill, and it was varying from a 1 month non-payment going up to till the time the Aam Aadmi Party government comes into power. So what the Delhi government has now done is that they have identified about 33,000 of such supporters who did not pay the bill and also had to face flack from the previous government. Either their connections were cut or they were heavy penalty were imposed on them. All those people now will be getting 50% SOP. They will be getting a reduction of 50% on their bills. Arvind Kejriwal also made it very clear, those who had paid the inflated bills under any sort of pressure, they will not be getting any sort of discount as far as the government is giving to their supporters.
Okay.
This will cost the exchequer 6 crore rupees, and the government has said that the government will be paying this money to the electricity companies.
Alright, so the government is going to end up paying this money to the electricity companies. Ankit Tyagi, just stay on with us. Sambit Patra of the BJP is with us on the phone line. Do you get the feeling that ultimately, Sambit Patra, taxpayers, people who have paid their bills honestly, are going to end up footing the bill of Aam Aadmi Party supporters?
Definitely, Padmaja, and this is a classic case of penalizing the ones who are honest. The honest citizens who abided by the constitutional principles, the honest people who followed what the constitution laid down for them, in fact, have been penalized. It is not as what Ankit said, that the government would foot the bill. The bill would be footed by none other than the taxpayers. That is, we'll have to empty our pockets in order to satisfy the satiety of the people who either belong to the Aam Aadmi Party or in fact of their cause. So I believe if this is the kind of revolution that we are going to bring in, I believe anything that will usher in is ultimately anarchy. And as Mr. Kejriwal himself had in the previous times pointed out, that he's an anarchist. And today I realize as to why he calls himself an anarchist.